Hey, what's up? My name is Toby and be warmly welcome to vlog number 4. So in the prior videos I've been learning about the AR basics and I've been experimenting with fun stuff like a dinosaur island. But now I finally got a concept that might be worth pursuing to the end to get a final game. You will become the commander of a flying ship and you will fight epic battles with and against your friends. You can upgrade and advance your ship. I can't tell you exactly how I came up with the flying ship idea, but researching what others do and getting to know the limitations and the possibilities in AR development, it was clear that having a big game with hundreds of objects is not really in the scope, but rather concentrating on a few objects and a fun game mechanics. This is what could be the recipe to something that, well, maybe become successful. So I began with some rapid prototyping, just making a rough shape that should look like a ship. However, it more looked like a sausage. And just from flying around in my living room, I could already sense that this idea might be worth pursuing. One thing I also noticed is that it's very important to integrate your environment into the game. So I learned about AR meshing and I also got a material from the Unity Asset Store. It's free, the link is in the description, that would allow me to have shadows on the actual objects in the room, which is quite cool and just gives a whole different sense of the AR experience. So at this point in time the controls are a bit janky still, but I want to have only one touchpad on the right side, and then on the left side you will have the possibility to shoot, switch sides, or even have different power-ups in the future. So this is what I'm still quite working on, making the controls feel even more natural, since you have to go forward, backward, up, down, but also turn left and right. And I also just got a very basic enemy ship flying around in a circle around you, so you can shoot it. And as you can see, when it gets destroyed, it also just falls to the ground and it looks quite cool in my opinion. Next on is of course the multiplayer, which is the heart and soul of the game, but also pathfinding for AI opponents, which is not quite easy, as we're looking at a three-dimensional space where just meshes and objects will be generated at runtime. I'm also very interested in your opinion about this game concept, so please write in the comments what you think about it and what features you would like to have in there. But that's it for today's vlog, so thank you so much for watching and see you next time.